Cloud costs can spiral quickly. Excess spending on idle resources and over-provisioned services wastes valuable budget. When your cloud environment lacks proper oversight, inefficiencies grow and expenses soar. Imagine taking control with a clear, step-by-step guide to audit, analyze, and optimize every resource. We begin by inventorying all assets, then spot idle or misconfigured services that drain funds. We help right-size your cloud infrastructure to align with true workload needs. Enforce strict policies and monitoring to lock down waste. With each step, you gain newfound efficiency, lower monthly bills, and secure predictable budgeting. This puts more money in your pocket, while providing a scalable environment. Don't let costs run wild. Let us help and start auditing today to save money, boost productivity, and reclaim control. Your future is cloud optimized. Achieve efficiency, control, and success. We can help.